Hey, what's up, y'all? Joe Yeoman here. Gonna do a couple of the songs that are gonna be coming out on the new album. This is the acoustic versions of them, of course. But y'all listen to them. Let me know what you think. You know, if you like them, you don't like them, that sort of thing. This one here is "This Old Truck." It's a little rusty, it ain't that pretty, but it gets me rolling on down the road. And come Saturday, if I have it my way, I'll be mudding down an old muddy hole. Some call it crazy, I think maybe people don't like what they don't know. So put a little more on the tire, park down by the bonfire. If it's not for me, it ain't getting old. I'm just gonna hang out here, this old truck and a cold beer. This old truck, this old truck, you can hear it rumble, it ain't ever stumble, no matter how heavy the load. So put that gas on the floor, listen to that engine roar. This old truck ain't made for going slow. So lay that hammer down in the backwoods right uptown. You know it's me when I can haul it up the road. Well, I'm slinging mud from the tailgate making love. I've done it all. This old truck, this old truck. Well, I'm just gonna hang out here, this old truck and a cold beer. My sweet warm on the ride shotgun. Well, we're singing this old truck, this old truck, I've done it all. This old truck. All right, y'all, let me know what you think of that one.